everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Happy 2023 to everyone. I wanted to do a quick video on some of the things that I received from Christmas and also some of the things I picked up on the after Christmas sales. I also received a couple of Christmas cards. This one is from Nicole over at Vagabond Crafter. I will link her channel down below. She sent me this very sweet Christmas card, and inside she shared some stickers and a piece of ephemera. Thank you, Nicole, for this Christmas card. I hope you and your family had a Merry Christmas. And this one is from Leanna over at It's a Deal. I will also link her channel down below. She sent me this super fun Santa card, and on the inside she also shared a piece of ephemera and this super cute angel die. Leanna, thank you so much for that. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and you have a wonderful 2023. Some of the things that I received from Christmas, I was in a Christmas swap with some friends, and I received these 6 erasable highlighters, this super cute pouch, and this notebook. Love all of those. From my husband, I wanted a Cricut mini, and I wanted this after I saw Sharon over at Cheap to Chic use hers, and I thought, you know what, I need one of these too. And so this was my Christmas present. It's so cute and it's the perfect size for my little craft room. Also picked me up this little mini desk vacuum. I think this will be perfect for my workspace to vacuum up all those little pieces of paper and the glitter. I did stop at a Target on my way to Hobby Lobby. I did find just a couple of things in their dollar spot. They had this cute do not open until December 25th wood mounted stamp, this snow trim, this twine, and this tinsel. I picked these up for 50 cents each. I did stop at Hobby Lobby. Their Christmas was 75% off, so I picked up the ginger buttons, the 3 wise men, and 2 of the plaid trees with the red truck, some Christmas twine. And I purchased 2 of these because I'm going to try a project that I wanted to recreate using twine. So I did pick up 2 of those. I haven't seen these at my Hobby Lobby. I went to one that was not near my house, but they had these really pretty butterflies that I thought would work for any time of the year. Picked up a couple more candy canes, mainly to share in Happy Mail. And these candy ones, I don't think I ended up picking these up last time. They had these little snowflakes, these little button ones, Mr. and Miss Santa Claus. I picked up 2 rolls of this really fun trim, the Merry Christmas packing tape, and the snowflake packing tape. These little jingle bells, some more candy canes, the gift tag stickers. Thought these would be really fun to start the Christmas embellishment bottoms with. The ephemera to make your own. These cute bows. These little leaf decor for layering. These cute Christmas tree picks. I haven't seen these ones. A couple of sticker sheets that say Merry Christmas. And these cute puffy stickers. Found one of the dies on the 75% off clearance. I think the other ones were still only at 40%. But I picked up this label set from Tim Holt, and that was $8.27 for this set. I think what I'm going to do is just squeeze in real quick what I picked up when I went out thrift shopping. From the thrift store, we went to Savers. They were 50% off everything in the store. I found this old style bingo game, and I purchased these for the cards inside. These are really fun to add to junk journals and for paper crafting, so I picked that up. $1.75 for that one. I also picked up these old style classroom flashcards. These are also great for junk journaling and to make tuck spots. These are so cute. Look at these ones, have actual designs on them. So these are from 1990. Love those. They were $1.50. I did find these metal baskets. This one is about 14 inches long. It will be great in my IKEA drawer. And then it has just like this little one attached, and that one was also $1.50. The last thing that I purchased from the thrift store is this unit right here, and it has the side for paper, and then it has these really nice drawers. Picked this up. So I'm trying to make this space the space that I'm working on, and I wanted a unit like this, like I have over here in this corner, to keep the supplies of the project that I'm currently working on in over there. Got my my craft room. It's a total mess. I've been working so hard in here to get everything cleaned up off the floor, and I have all my Christmas stuff now put away, so it's all back up there nice and organized. And I'm working on sorting and putting my papers away, and this is all stuff that is from Happy Mail. All has to be put into my stash. I'm working on keeping this area clean. This is where I just hold my new Christmas supplies. I've been working on my New Year's planner, so I have that space currently cleaned. Yesterday I spent the day and cleaned my entire landing zone area, so that it just has stuff that I use when I leave my house. Still working on cleaning up this area. I did organize some of my buttons and things that I had in packaging up here. And yeah, guys, I hope everyone has an amazing 2023. I'm looking forward to spending a lot of time in my craft room. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.